Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE, stock number Z9758XA. Only 29,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Caravan brand new, deep cherry red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Stone go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Deep storage well behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for the seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Easy to read gauges. Again, only 29,000 miles. Tilt wheel. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Cup holder, storage, and power outlets. Even more storage in the removable center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan is a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid pints are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance, anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway. And approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Caravan, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.